Let's talk about something wild and microscopic. Viruses! You've heard of them, but what are they, really? Imagine something so small you can only see it with super-powered microscopes. A virus is basically just a tiny package. It's got some genetic material inside. Think of it like secret instructions or code, all wrapped up in a little protein coat. That's pretty much it. But how is that different from, like, bacteria? Or even your own amazing cells? Huge difference. Bacteria? They're like tiny, independent mini-factories. They have all the tools inside to make energy, grow, and make copies of themselves. They're single-celled organisms. They can live and reproduce on their own. And our human cells? Way more complex. They're like bustling cities with tons of different parts, organelles, doing specialized jobs to keep us alive and thriving. They have everything they need to function and divide themselves. Now the virus? It's missing almost all of that machinery. No energy-making parts, no growth system. It's just the instructions. It's kinda helpless on its own. So what does it do? It finds a living cell like one of yours and hijacks it. It injects its instructions and forces the cell to stop doing its own job and start making more viruses. It's basically a biological pirate. Viruses need a host cell to reproduce. Bacteria and your cells can do their own thing. Alright, the big question everyone asks, is a virus alive? This is where scientists have debated for ages. By many definitions of life, like being able to grow, use energy, and reproduce independently, viruses don't fit. They can't do any of that without a host cell. Most scientists lean towards not considering them truly alive in the same way a plant, animal, or bacteria is. They're more like complex chemical things that exist right on the edge between non-living and living. They have genetic material and evolve, but they lack that independent spark of life. So next time you hear about a virus, remember, tiny instruction manual, needs a cell to come to life and copy itself, and it's still a science debate if it's technically alive. Pretty wild for something so small, right? What other science stuff blows your mind? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and follow.